In this video, we will discuss about the introduction of the lathe and the history of lathe. Now, we see the 3D model of the lathe. The lathe is one of the oldest machine tools invented and came into existence from the Egyptian tree lathes. The lathe is a machine which removes the material from a job and reduces the job to the required shape and size. This is achieved by rotating the workpiece, while the single point cutting tool removes the material by traversing in a direction parallel to the axis of rotation. We will discuss about the further details of lathe machine in the next videos. Working principle of lathe. In this video, we will discuss the working principle of lathe with the help of basic lathe operation. Now, we see 3D model of lathe. Let us see the principal components of the lathe. Workpiece, chuck, tool post, cutting tool. In a lathe, the workpiece is held in a chuck or between centers and rotated about its axis at a uniform speed. The cutting tool held in tool post is fed into the workpiece to the required depth and in the desired direction. The workpiece is rotated and the cutting tool is moved relative to the workpiece. That is why the lathe is also called as turning machines. Constructional features of a lathe. In this video, we will discuss about the construction features of center lathe. Headstock assembly, headstock spindle with chuck, workpiece, feed selector, tailstock assembly, dead center, carriage assembly, compound rest, apron, cross slide, tool post, lathe bed, guideways, lead screw, feed rod. Specification of lathe. In this video, we will discuss about the specification of lathe. Specification of lathe described in the following ways: headstock, tailstock, lathe bed, swing of workpiece over lathe bed, the height of the centers measured over the lathe bed. Swing over the carriage, swing or diameter over carriage. Distance between centers, maximum job length in millimeter that may be held between the centers. Overall length of bed, bed length in meters which includes headstock length.